taskbar. The taskbar is the horizontal bar at the bottom of your computer screen. It is easily identified in the way that on the left hand side there is a button, on the extreme right hand side there is a clock. The taskbar holds all the running program and you can pin your favorite programs the way you want, as we have seen earlier. If you want to reposition, you right click on the taskbar, and if you want to move it to any side of your screen you want, you click on the taskbar and you start dragging it to any position or any side of the screen. If you want to lock that taskbar on one side or in one position, you right click and lock the taskbar. In this case, you cannot remove this taskbar unless if you first unlock. When you unlock, you are able to click, hold and start drag. You click your mouse, hold and you start dragging any side of the screen you want. The taskbar holds the programs that are commonly used. When you look on the extreme right hand side of the taskbar, there is a clock. It will show you the date of the day, time and the calendar. Here you can see the event, your calendar schedule. You can hide the agenda. You can add an agenda on your calendar. For example, the event name, location, you select the start date and also the end date. Okay, assuming you want in May the event you are setting up. Let us assume you have to complete technology course. So this is your agenda and location from the address Kampala. Then you select the start date and the end date. You can put a note. Thereafter you can save and close. Now this is done. You have set your calendar. Again, on taskbar there is speaker, an icon or a tool helps you to increase or to lower the volume. There is what we call muting the sound. In case you don't want people to hear from your computer but want to continue watching, for example you're watching a movie, simply press mute. The sound will go off completely. This is sometimes a challenge. In fact, some people when they come to use computers and they can't hear sound when turn on their computer. If you can't hear sound from your computer, the first thing to do is to check if this is in mute. Another important icon or tool where you can see whether your laptop is charging or the battery is full or not. Also, there is this tool that points upward, shows hidden icon. When you click, you are able to see other icons commonly used and put on the taskbar. And this is usually what we use to just remove trash in the computer. Also, there is this tool which shows the internet. So when you click this, you are able to see the list of access points that are listed on your computer. There is also this tool which is called airplane mode in case if they don't have internet access to computers. Usually the first thing you have to do is to check if this is in airplane mode. In case if it's in airplane mode, you won't be able to receive internet on your computer. Another thing I want us to look at, when you right click on the taskbar, you access the settings of the taskbar and you can change it in any way you want. You can have quite different settings you can make. However, I don't advise you so much to make changes on your computer in case if you are not well versed on what you are doing. When you right click, see a menu, and this you can lock the taskbar. You can show the desktop, add the search icon on your taskbar. When you select show search icon, show the icon here, whereby you have to first click in and then you type whatever you want to search. But if you click show the search box, it will show the search box here. Type the word Word, then the Word application, the Microsoft Word application opens and I start accessing it. Also, with use of the taskbar, you can add address where you just type in whatever address you want. For example, instead of opening a web browser to search anything from internet, you can easily use the address where you can type, for example, www.facebook.com. Facebook address will just pop up. If you type in watchdoguganda.com, instead of looking for the web browser on your desktop, you double click and then again click here and you enter the address. You just need to enter the address here and then enter. The address will come automatically. So there are so many things you can do with the taskbar, and you can use your computer as a pro. Alright, we have reached the end of this lesson. You may wonder why I find it necessary to provide you with the Taskbar skills. I consider the Taskbar as one of the best skills any computer user should equip with. In fact, in this lesson, I have a small setting options of what a computer taskbar can provide. I just wanted my learners to get the confidence to explore other taskbar tools and functions. This will simplify your daily use of a computer. It will help to organize your work quickly and efficiently in your daily computer use. I encourage learners to practice the lessons completed in the next lesson, that is creating, deleting, renaming a file, folder, and also to know how the recycle bin works. I wish you success.